Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have this Ryobi expanded attachment. So I'm going to show you how to get this head here off, because a lot of people are having trouble detaching this when the string gets caught on the inside. So stick around and I'll show you how to unlock this, and an easy way to make it to where you can lock and unlock it very easily. This is the only thing I could find that I could actually get a hold of it to get that thing broke loose. And let me show you. Took this right here. You can take it apart. You can get this at probably Harbor Freight, or might be able to get one of these off of Amazon. I've had this one for 20 years. Take and just enlarge it. Wrap it right around it. You can put it on this top one, but I prefer the bottom because it leaves the top. You can get a better grip on it. Now that I got it on there, I can tighten it up. Get a good grip. Get the string out of there. Now you just hold on to it. See if I got it on the right way. I might have it on backwards. Let's see which way it's got to go. Yep, I got this on backwards. So let me put it on the other way. So I got to flip it around to where this part is actually forcing it backwards. Because of, as you can see the arrows, the head's got to go that way. I'm going to get it on there. I'm going to tighten it up. First I got to get it on there. Just like so. Tighten it up. Now, this will hold it in place. Now you got to take this part, just turn it. And that's how I got it to come loose. Because you need to be wearing a good pair of gloves and have something like this, because I don't think a vise will hold it. I think a vise will just tear it up. But that's how I got it broke loose. And now I'll show you what I did to make it easier to come apart and go back together if it ever needs to come apart again. I'm going to show you how to unlock this. I've already had this one apart and fix it to where I can turn it and disengage it, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did. See, now I can hold this top part and then turn this right here. Takes a little bit of muscle because it's not a very good design, and I turn it and it comes right off. Now what I have done, and you might want to do this sooner than later, take some WD-40 or some PB Blaster, which I have used, and just take and spray it right down in here, all the way around it. Don't worry about the oily mess, because you need that lubrication in here. And you get that in there. Now it's going to lubricate all that. Now you get that all lubricated in there, and now once it's lubricated, you should be able to take your spool, put it down on there where it's supposed to go, like line those arrows up. Now you go ahead and just hold it and you twist it. And it goes right together. Now I can take that on and off. Watch how easy it is. But you got to grab it. Makes it so much easier now. But that's just one way, and I'm sure there's other ways people are showing you how to do this, but that's one way to do it without having to physically destroy the warranty. So like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.